Today, I am taking on my biggest organizing challenge yet, and that is organizing a whole house for just $100. If you love to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget, I am here for you at Skip to My Life. Today, I'm taking you along to visit my son and daughter-in-law in their new home, and we literally struck gold at their local Dollar Tree. I had seen other YouTubers feature this entire rose gold office organizing set, and I found it at this store. Now you'll want to pick up these small hors d'oeuvre cups as well, and I'm going to show you why. My daughter-in-law works at home some days, and she just had this boring plain wall to stare at. So we are going to fix that and glam it up with this new rose gold wire organizer. Make sure you pick up a package of 4 of these wall mounts as well as your wire organizer. I started by marking off the level area where I wanted to mount the organizer. Each corner square takes 3 of these tiny nails, and when they all go in, they look something like a torture device, but that's what's holding it into the wall. Once you have secured that to the wall, you'll put your wire plate in and then cover it with the snap-on square. These mounting squares also came in black, but I really preferred the clean look of white for this space. This set comes with 2 different types of baskets as well as a wire shelf. Now we'll be using those hors d'oeuvre cups to fill these baskets so that the things we put inside will not fall through. Well, I don't know about you, but I find it so satisfying to purchase office supplies and unwrap them and put them all away, especially in a tidy little system like this one. But wait, we're not finished yet, because this system comes with 6-sided cork boards and they have their own adhesive on the back. At first, I was reluctant to use this adhesive because I thought it might take the drywall off when they were finished with these little pieces of cork, but it's a great texture. It easily sticks on a wall, but it's not so sticky that you can't peel it off. I recommend that you try it on your wall and see what you think, but I was really happy with it. Now we have a system that is just as beautiful as it is functional. If you're new to Skip to My Life, a great big welcome. Make sure to comment below and let me know how we found each other. And also comment and let me know, have you found this rose gold office organizer at your local Dollar Tree, or are you going to be on the hunt like I was? Well, I recently took a trip to visit my son and daughter-in-law, and they live near the ocean. So this was a work and a vacation trip all in one. They spend one day every weekend combing the beach for sea glass, and this is a little side business that they share as a couple. You'll want to keep watching because I'm going to show you how you can win a free giveaway. As you can see, their 2 dogs love spending time on the beach, and they've really found some quite extraordinary pieces. So they've opened a little Etsy store, and we are doing a giveaway of one of their small jars of sea glass. It is beautiful, and it would make a great addition to your home. All you need to do is leave a sun emoji in the comment space below, and I will pick a winner. Our next space to organize is my son's hobby space, where he goes through all the sea glass and categorizes it. And I found the perfect little organizers at Dollar Tree. They have a latch and a handle, and this is going to make the most of the vertical space on that bookshelf that he uses. Well, we're still way under our $100 budget, but we're moving on to some storage space in their home office. Now, this is an extra closet they have. And my daughter-in-law picked up these seafoam green containers at Dollar Tree. She just loved the style and the color. The dimension and size of these baskets are perfect for the top shelf of a closet or cupboard. So if you have a space like this one that you need to organize, I highly recommend them. With just 3 of the Dollar Tree baskets, as well as 2 wooden crates that she already had, she completely transformed this space. Not only does it look beautiful, but it functions so much better. Many of you have told me that you struggle with shoe storage in your closets, and I am going to show you a really inexpensive solution. I purchased 2 pieces of black foam core from Dollar Tree, as well as 3 of the Dollar Tree shoe bins. While these shoe bins are functional, they are really pretty flimsy. So I felt like they needed some kind of backing, and we are going to be glue gunning them onto this foam core. Please be careful if you decide to take on this project. I did not have my little finger protectors with me, but they sure would have come in handy. These are going to be used to store their off-season shoes, and they're going to slip so easily right under their bed. You're going to want to make sure and watch all the way to the end and see how I did on my final budget. And I have a little surprise for you. This is actually part 1 in a 2-part series. So I'm doing half the house in this episode and half in the next one. You'll want to come back next week and see how it ends. You can spend a lot of money on underbed shoe organizers, but I really feel like these Dollar Tree bins do the trick as long as they have that sturdy backing, because the point of these is to keep them dust-free and protected. We even had a little extra space for a lip that helps us to pull that bin in and out. My son's dress shoes are quite a bit larger, so I solved this problem by just snipping the halfway dividers and using the shoe bins to hold less shoes. And of course, this brought me happy thoughts, because who doesn't love to see their son all dressed up? And there's enough space left over for him to use this to store some of his more casual shoes. The leftover bulky boots fit easily in one of the bins that they already owned. Most of us have bulky storage, you know what I mean, blankets, sheets, old quilts, things that we don't want to get rid of and that we need once in a while, but we just don't know how to store them. I discovered this set of 6 fabric bins from Amazon, and I am providing you with a link below. Now, I didn't know how these would look, but I was really delighted with how much storage space they added. I was able to fit everything on the floor of their closet into just 3 of these bins, and now they have 3 left over. The best part is that these bins come in at less than $4 a piece, so we are still well within our $100 whole house organizing budget. I tried a few configurations. At first I thought I might put them on top, but then I ended up putting them on the floor of this closet to create more visual and practical space. If you're enjoying this video and getting some great ideas, why not click the like, thumbs up button, and even better, I would love to have you subscribe. I have done whole episodes on bathroom organization and redo, but this was just a quick under-sink guest bath project. Once again, my daughter-in-law and I struck gold in her local Dollar Tree with these beautiful, real simple surface cleaners. Come both in a floral fragrance and a citrus fragrance, and if you see them, I recommend that you snap them up because they will certainly go fast. Now I'm going to give you a little insider organizing hack. I often play around with all different kinds of configurations before I really understand what the project requires. So I am showing you here many different ideas using Dollar Tree bins and wire shelves. Not only does this bathroom need to be functional, but it also needs to have some really elegant little touches. So this little candy jar filled with Epsom salt is just the thing to create a spa experience. In addition, we found this great value of 5 toothbrushes for $1.25, and the lid even transforms into a cup. Well, she had collected many adorable little sample size containers of shampoo and cream rinse and things that guests would love, and all I did was consolidate those into this beautiful little zippered pouch. Well, for those of you who are dog lovers like I am, I have to tell you a little secret about my trip. Yes, I came to see my son and my daughter-in-law, but I had never met my 2 grand dogs. So I had such a fun time meeting them and getting to know them and bonding with them. With just a few dollars and some time, we transformed this under sink to a thing of beauty, and my daughter-in-law was really pleased with it. But I always love to over deliver for you all, so I'm going to give you another Dollar Tree hack for your guest bathroom, and that is these beautiful Dollar Tree night lights. Now, I'll be honest, I have passed these over many times in my Dollar Tree, not realizing just how fun and attractive they are. They come in several different colors, and they put off such a nice glow for the guest bath. Make sure you come back next week to see if I can finish this whole house organization for less than $100. And remember, my friend, today is not the end of your story, so keep on.